Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller with non-Steam games on your personal computer. First, ensure your controller is connected, either with a USB cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. Then, we will explore essential software to make your controller fully functional, allowing you to enjoy a wide range of games. One of the most popular tools is PS4 Windows. Begin by downloading the latest version from its official website. After extracting the files, launch the application and follow the on-screen instructions to install any required drivers. This software allows your PlayStation 4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, ensuring broad compatibility with many games. With PS4 Windows running, you can extensively customize your controller. Head to the Profiles tab to create new profiles or modify existing ones. Here, you can remap buttons, fine-tune stick sensitivity, and adjust dead zones for precise control. You can also change the light bar color and set rumble intensity, saving these settings for individual games. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Bluetooth drivers are up to date for stable wireless connections. Running PS4 Windows as an administrator can resolve many common problems. Also, check for any other controller mapping software that might conflict. A quick restart of your computer after installing drivers often helps solidify the setup, ensuring smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.